Every court interpreter has a first step. This book was written to help you take it with confidence. Before an assignment begins, a prepared interpreter reviews their notes, checks their headset, and takes a studying breath. They know exactly what to expect from the judge, the attorneys, and the defendant. Entering an environment like this requires precise preparation. Before you step up to a microphone, you must thoroughly understand courtroom procedure and strict ethical boundaries. Fluency in 2 languages is only the starting point. By arriving fully prepared, the interpreter serves as the first line of defense in protecting access to justice. This diagram maps the beginner's challenge, the volume of vocabulary. You face over 400 legal terms, 300 idiomatic expressions, and 200 elevated words. The glossary systematically converts these massive clusters into manageable daily memorization lists, matching English concepts directly to Spanish equivalents.
Next, you will encounter highly specific language. The lexicon includes nearly 100 highly localized police slang and courtroom jargon expressions that appear constantly on the official record. Conversational fluency doesn't grant you the cultural knowledge to interpret underworld terminology. We dissect these phrases line by line. You learn to map complex slang to accurate Spanish equivalents, maintaining the original tone without violating neutrality. Mastering this method turns a daunting list of words into a precise toolset. You learn to convey exact legal intent, rather than just guessing at synonyms. Vocabulary is useless if you don't know the rules. This specialized language operates strictly within the bounds of complex legal frameworks and established criminal procedure. The stakes are deeply human, especially in immigration settings. The guide outlines the specific approach to navigate immigration interviews and correctly interpret selected civics questions. These environments are fast-paced and high-stakes. Interpretation demands you process procedures, anticipate the next phrase, and output the legal equivalent, completely without hesitation. Let's test your intuition. How would you ethically interpret a highly localized police slang term on the spot? The answer relies on preserving the speaker's exact register and meaning, governed by the code of ethics. In these settings, a single misunderstood procedure or mistranslated idiom can directly alter a person's rights and the final outcome of their case. The final phase bridges the gap between raw memorization and performance. It culminates in a mock court interpreter written examination. This exam functions as a comprehensive test of readiness. It synthesizes your knowledge of ethics, terminology, and legal procedure into one continuous challenge. This chart shows the first half of your study roadmap. Step 1. Master ethics. Step 2. Memorize terminology and slang. The chart then completes your preparation path. Step 3 is internalizing procedures, followed by Step 4, passing the mock exam. Inside the U.S. court system, every translated word carries the weight of legal precedent. Accuracy in interpretation ensures that an individual's rights are protected and the outcome of their case is based on a true understanding of the facts. If you are an interpreter ready to explore the legal field, begin with the right foundation.